Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you one simple daily English practice that can change how you speak in just 7 days. But here's the interesting part. Most English learners never use this method, even though it looks easy, feels natural, and takes only a few minutes. So, why does it work so fast? And how can you start right after this video? Let's jump straight in because every second you wait, your English stays the same. Chapter 1: The secret method most beginners ignore. Let's start with something simple, something real, something most learners never try. It is called shadowing. And don't worry, the word sounds big, but the idea is very small and very friendly. You listen to someone speak English and you copy them at the same time. You don't wait. You don't translate. You just follow the voice like a shadow. But here's the strange part. The first time you do it, your mouth feels confused. Your brain feels slow. You might even laugh because it feels a little silly. And that is exactly why it works. Most people skip this step because they feel shy. They think, I will do this later. But later never comes, and their English stays stuck at the same level. But you won't be like them. You clicked this video. You want progress. You want real life English. So stay with me. When you shadow, your mouth starts learning the music of English. Yes, English has music, rhythm, stress, movement. Most learners only learn words, but they miss the music. Shadowing gives you that music fast. And the amazing part? You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. You don't need a teacher. You only need your voice and a small moment in your day. But here's something most people never notice. Even if you shadow for only 1 minute, your brain wakes up, your tongue warms up, you start speaking faster and easier. And once you feel this small change, you want more. And that leads us into the next chapter: how to shadow the right way, step by step, without stress and without confusion. Because doing it wrong wastes time. Doing it right changes your English. Chapter 2: How to Shadow the Right Way. Simple daily routine. Let me show you the easiest routine. It takes almost no time. But here's the part that surprises everyone. The shorter the practice, the faster the improvement at the beginning. So let's start simple. Step 1: Choose a short audio or video. It can be a YouTube clip, a podcast, a line from a movie, or even this video. Pick something you enjoy. Your brain learns faster with enjoyment. Most people choose something too long, and then they give up. Don't do that. Choose something short and fun. Step 2: Play the audio. Listen for a few seconds. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to feel the rhythm. Then speak with it at the same time, like a shadow. Don't pause. Don't correct yourself. Don't worry about mistakes. This is not school. This is training, real training. Step 3: Start with 1 minute only. Yes, 1 minute. Most learners try 10 minutes and burn out. But if you start small, you build a habit. And habits build fluency. After 1 minute feels easy, move to 3 minutes, then 5, but never jump too fast. Your brain loves slow growth. But here's the interesting part: your ears start doing magic. After a few days, you notice new sounds, new stress, new flow. You don't study these things, you absorb them. And this absorption makes real life speaking easier. Here's a tiny trick: shadow while walking, shadow while cooking, shadow while waiting. These micro practice moments are powerful. They make English part of your day, not a big homework task. When you follow this simple routine, something surprising happens. You start hearing English differently. And when you hear differently, you speak differently. That's when real life speaking becomes natural. And that brings us to chapter 3, how to use shadowing when you speak in the real world, even if you don't live in an English speaking country. Chapter 3, speak for real life even if you don't live in an English country. Many learners think, I don't live in an English speaking place. How can I practice? But here's the truth, English practice is everywhere. You just need to change how you see your day. Shadowing helps you bring English into your real life. For example, imagine you are walking into a shop in your city. You can practice the conversation before you go in. Shadow a short clip. Hello, how are you? I'm looking for this. Can you help me with that? Easy English, small English, but very real. Most learners never notice this. Real life English is made of simple lines, not big sentences. And shadowing trains your mouth to speak these simple lines fast and smooth. Here's another trick, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Not in a strange way, but in a useful way. When you cook, say what you're doing in English. When you walk, say what you see. When you think, try to think in small English sentences. These tiny moments build your speaking muscles. But here's what changed everything for many learners. When they shadow daily, they stop translating in their heads. They speak directly, naturally, without fear. It feels like English becomes more alive. And the best part? You don't need an English friend. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a perfect accent. You only need consistent practice. Soon you'll notice that real life speaking feels less scary. Simple greetings feel easy. Asking questions feels natural. And expressing yourself feels possible, even enjoyable. Now that you know how to use shadowing in real life, let's move to something exciting. Chapter 4, how to sound more natural and confident when you speak. Chapter 4, how to sound more natural and confident. Let me tell you a secret. Sounding natural is not about speaking fast. It's about rhythm and emotion. And shadowing helps you copy this rhythm without studying complicated rules. Here's something native speakers do without thinking. They change their tone, they go up, they go down, they slow down, they speed up. This creates the music of English. Most learners speak in one flat tone. That makes them sound unsure, even if their grammar is correct. But here's the good news. You can fix this easily. When you shadow, copy not just the words, copy the tone, copy the emotion, copy the pause, copy the stress. These small things make a big difference. Most people never notice the pauses. Pauses are powerful. They make you sound confident. They show clarity. They give your words space. Try this. Say one sentence, then pause for 1 second. You will feel more in control. And here's something that will surprise you. Shadowing trains your mouth like a workout. Your tongue becomes faster. Your lips become stronger. Your voice becomes clearer. It feels physical because it is physical. Let me give you a small test moment. Say a simple sentence, I want to learn English. Now shadow it from a video. Copy the rhythm. You will feel a small difference in your mouth. That small difference is the beginning of a big change. Once you start sounding natural, you begin feeling confident. And when you feel confident, real progress begins. Now that you understand the how, let's see what happens after 7 days of daily shadowing. This part surprises almost everyone. Chapter 5, what happens? After 7 days of daily shadowing, something amazing happens when you practice every day, even if it's only a few minutes. Day 1 feels strange. Day 2 feels easier. Day 3 feels fun. But something special happens around day 5. Most learners don't expect it. You start hearing English differently. You hear details you never noticed before. You hear stress. You hear rhythm. You hear small sounds inside big words. And these new sounds make speaking smoother. By day 7, you notice 3 big changes. First, Your mouth feels faster. Words come out with less effort. Second, you feel less shy. Speaking doesn't scare you. You've done it every day. Now it feels normal. And third, you understand more. Not because you studied more grammar, but because your ears became more powerful. Most learners never understand that listening and speaking grow together. When your listening grows, your speaking grows automatically. This is why shadowing creates fast results. Something else surprising, many learners report a small confidence jump around day 4 or day 5. They suddenly speak without thinking. It feels like the brain finally says, okay, let's do this. But here's the important part: don't stop. The progress after 7 days is just the beginning. And that brings us to our final chapter: how to make this practice a long term skill that keeps growing with you. Chapter 6: Turning daily practice into a lifetime skill. You made it this far, so I know you're serious about your English. Now let's turn your daily practice into a lifetime habit. Most learners stop too early. They practice for a few days, feel better, and then forget. But the ones who continue, they reach a level they never imagined. And the best part? It's not hard. It just needs small, steady steps. Here's how you stay ahead. Keep your practice short but consistent. 5 minutes a day beats 1 hour once a week. Your brain loves repetition. Your mouth loves practice. Your confidence loves success. Another simple trick: change your audio every few days. New voices give you new rhythm. New rhythm gives you new flow. New flow gives you new confidence. But here's something powerful. When you practice daily, even small English moments become meaningful. Ordering food, saying hello, asking a question, all these become easier. And each success gives you more motivation. You will start to feel something new. English becomes part of you, not a school subject, not a test, not a fear, a skill you use, a voice you own. You don't need perfection, you only need progress. And you already started that progress today. If this video helped you, subscribe for daily English guidance. Like the video to support the channel, and tell me in the comments, how many minutes will you practice shadowing today? Your English journey starts now. Let's grow together.